Every year, crumbling infrastructure drains billions of dollars from economies around the world and puts millions of lives at risk. Cracked roads, weakened bridges, aging buildings, and failing pipelines are no longer rare problems. They are daily threats that disrupt cities and endanger communities. Governments respond with constant repairs, temporary patches, and costly maintenance cycles that only delay the inevitable. But what if the solution was not endless construction crews and short-term fixes? What if our cities could repair themselves, just like living organisms heal after injury? Would you trust roads and bridges that heal on their own? Or does it make you wonder what's possible? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to explore the breakthrough technologies shaping our future. But 2026 changed everything. Scientists and engineers created infrastructure that can heal itself. Cracks close, damage stops spreading, structures repair without human intervention. Imagine a future where infrastructure is no longer passive, fragile, or prone to failure, but instead becomes alive, adaptive, and resilient. In this new era, a combination of cutting-edge technologies works seamlessly together to create cities that can heal and protect themselves. Advanced materials embedded with smart sensors continuously monitor structural integrity, detecting the earliest signs of stress, strain, or damage. Self-healing concrete, infused with microscopic bacteria, activates automatically when cracks form, producing limestone to seal fractures before they grow. Biologically inspired systems mimic natural processes, ensuring that every building, bridge, and road adapts dynamically to its environment. Tiny cracks are repaired, loads are redistributed, and structures strengthen over time instead of weakening. This integration of material science, biology, and intelligent monitoring is reshaping urban life. Infrastructure becomes proactive rather than reactive, reducing maintenance costs, conserving resources, and minimizing risks to human life. Cities equipped with these systems are not just more efficient. They are safer, more sustainable, and better prepared for the challenges of climate change, natural disasters, and growing urban populations. The vision is clear: an urban future that doesn't merely survive, but endures, thrives, and evolves, creating resilient environments for generations to come. Self-healing concrete represents a revolutionary shift in how we design and maintain the foundations of our cities. Inside this advanced material live microscopic bacteria, carefully embedded during the mixing process and sealed within protective capsules. These bacteria can remain dormant for decades, surviving the harsh conditions inside concrete without affecting its strength. When small cracks form, often invisible to the naked eye, and moisture seeps in, the environment triggers the bacteria to awaken. Once activated, they begin consuming nutrients stored within the concrete and produce calcium carbonate, commonly known as limestone. This natural byproduct slowly fills and seals the crack from the inside, restoring the concrete's integrity before the damage can spread further. What makes this process extraordinary is that it mimics nature itself. Just as bones heal after a fracture, self-healing concrete repairs structural wounds automatically, without human intervention. This prevents water, oxygen, and corrosive chemicals from penetrating deeper into the structure, which is one of the main causes of long-term deterioration. Over time, this technology can dramatically extend the lifespan of roads, bridges, tunnels, and buildings while reducing the need for expensive repairs and disruptive maintenance, minimizing material waste, lowering carbon emissions from construction, and improving structural safety. Self-healing concrete offers more than convenience. Provides resilience. It transforms infrastructure from something that constantly degrades into something that can recover, adapt, and endure, marking a critical step towards smarter, longer-lasting cities. Smart materials are revolutionizing the way infrastructure responds to stress, damage, and the passage of time. Unlike traditional construction materials, which remain passive and gradually weaken under pressure, these advanced materials are designed to sense their own condition and respond proactively. By embedding responsive fibers, shape memory alloys, or conductive networks directly into the structure, smart materials continuously monitor critical factors such as pressure, strain, temperature fluctuations, and microscopic fractures that are invisible to the human eye. The moment stress exceeds safe thresholds or minor damage begins to appear, the material reacts immediately. Internal mechanisms are triggered to redistribute loads, stiffen vulnerable areas, or activate localized reinforcement, preventing small issues from escalating into serious structural failures. This proactive, self-regulating behavior transforms infrastructure into a living, adaptive system. Bridges can flex and strengthen under heavy traffic, buildings can adjust to shifting ground or seismic activity, and roads can endure extreme weather conditions, all without constant human intervention or costly, time-consuming inspections. Smart materials act as a built-in early warning system, detecting problems before they become visible or dangerous and reinforcing themselves precisely where needed. The benefits extend beyond durability and maintenance savings. By minimizing the likelihood of collapse and reducing the frequency of repairs, smart materials enhance safety for everyone who uses these structures. They also extend the lifespan of infrastructure, allowing cities to rely on roads, bridges, and buildings that remain strong, resilient, and functional for decades. Ultimately, smart materials do more than just respond. They adapt, protect, and optimize, turning our built environment into a proactive, intelligent system capable of meeting the demands of modern urban life and the challenges of a rapidly changing world. AI-powered monitoring is the intelligence that transforms self-healing infrastructure from a concept into a functioning reality. At its core are tiny sensors embedded deep within roads, bridges, tunnels, and buildings, constantly tracking critical factors such as pressure, vibration, temperature, and even minute structural movements. These sensors generate a continuous stream of data that is far too complex and detailed for humans to process in real time. Advanced AI systems analyze this information instantly, identifying early warning signs of stress or damage that might otherwise go unnoticed. These patterns can be subtle, microscopic shifts in materials, small vibrations, or minor temperature fluctuations, but they can indicate the beginnings of cracks, weaknesses, or potential failures long before they appear on the surface. Once the AI detects a potential problem, it doesn't wait for human intervention. The system triggers corrective actions automatically, activating self-healing concrete, smart materials, or localized reinforcement mechanisms exactly where they are needed. Cracks are filled, stress is redistributed, and weak points are strengthened, all without disrupting traffic, daily life, or essential services. This proactive approach dramatically reduces the risk of catastrophic failures, lowers maintenance costs, and extends the lifespan of critical infrastructure. Beyond efficiency, AI-powered monitoring fundamentally improves safety. Cities equipped with these intelligent systems are better prepared to withstand natural disasters, heavy traffic loads, and environmental stress. Roads stay smoother, bridges remain stronger, and buildings can adapt to changing conditions. By combining real-time monitoring, predictive analysis, and automated repair, AI-powered infrastructure creates urban environments that are not only more reliable and resilient, but also capable of protecting millions of lives while quietly maintaining themselves in the background 24/7. This isn't a lab experiment or a distant concept waiting for the future. It's already happening in the real world. Self-healing roads are being tested under everyday traffic, weather, and stress, proving that these materials can perform outside controlled environments. Smart bridges are actively monitoring themselves, using embedded sensors and AI systems to track structural health around the clock, detecting tiny changes long before they become visible problems. Cities are no longer relying solely on manual inspections or emergency repairs. Instead, they are adopting intelligent infrastructure that works continuously in the background. These technologies are being integrated into highways, tunnels, and urban developments to reduce maintenance costs, improve safety, and prevent sudden failures. Early results show that infrastructure lifespans can be extended by decades, saving enormous amounts of money while minimizing disruptions to daily life. What makes this shift so powerful is its practicality. Engineers, city planners, and governments are investing in these solutions because they work. By combining proven materials, real-time monitoring, and predictive intelligence, cities are transforming infrastructure from a constant liability into a long-term asset. This is not theory, it's progress already reshaping how modern cities are built, maintained, and trusted to last. The impact of self-healing infrastructure is both immediate and profound. Fewer structural collapses mean that roads, bridges, and buildings remain safer for longer periods, dramatically reducing the risks that endanger everyday life. With fewer failures, repair costs drop significantly, saving cities billions in maintenance expenses while freeing up resources for other critical projects. Daily life becomes far less disrupted. Traffic flows smoothly, emergency closures are minimized, and residents no longer have to navigate around endless construction zones or deal with the uncertainty of sudden infrastructure failures. But the benefits extend far beyond efficiency and financial savings. The true value lies in the protection and security this technology offers. Stronger, smarter infrastructure creates safer environments for millions of people, giving families, workers, and communities the confidence that the systems supporting their lives are resilient and dependable. Roads that heal themselves, bridges that monitor and reinforce their own integrity, and buildings that adapt to stress collectively transform cities from fragile networks into robust, living systems. Over time, these intelligent structures not only preserve the safety of urban spaces, but also foster a sense of stability and trust. By combining cutting-edge materials, real-time monitoring, and adaptive technologies, self-healing infrastructure ensures that cities are not only more efficient but fundamentally safer, allowing people to live, work, and travel without fear, knowing the systems around them are built to endure, protect, and sustain life for generations to come. Imagine a future where cities don't just survive disasters, they recover from them on their own. In this vision, infrastructure is no longer passive, brittle, or reactive, but intelligent, adaptive, and capable of self-preservation. Roads, bridges, tunnels, and buildings respond in real time to the challenges posed by earthquakes, floods, extreme heat, or other environmental stresses. Instead of cracking, collapsing, or requiring weeks or months of repair, these systems detect damage the moment it begins, repair it automatically, and continue functioning seamlessly. Self-healing materials play a critical role in this transformation. Microcracks caused by seismic movement are sealed instantly by advanced concrete infused with bacteria, while smart structural components redistribute stress after flooding or shifting ground. Heat-resistant systems adjust dynamically to rising temperatures, maintaining strength and stability even under extreme conditions. In essence, infrastructure begins to behave like a living organism, sensing threats, responding intelligently, and reinforcing itself before minor problems escalate into dangerous failures. This proactive approach fundamentally changes the relationship between people and the built environment. Cities are no longer dependent solely on emergency repairs, human inspections, or reactive maintenance. Instead, they become active participants in their own survival. Transportation networks stay operational even during disasters, emergency services can continue without interruption, and communities recover faster because the very systems they rely on are working to protect them. The benefits go far beyond efficiency and convenience. By minimizing structural failures, adaptive infrastructure reduces economic losses, preserves vital resources, and safeguards human lives. Residents gain confidence in the reliability of the roads they travel, the bridges they cross, and the buildings they inhabit. Trust in urban systems increases, creating communities that feel safer, more resilient, and better prepared for the future. Ultimately, infrastructure that adapts instead of breaking represents a fundamental rethinking of urban design. Inspired by nature, powered by intelligent technology, and guided by predictive systems, these innovations redefine what it means to build a city. They create environments that do not merely survive challenges. They thrive under pressure, continuously repairing, strengthening, and evolving. In this new era, resilience is not optional. It is woven into the very fabric of the urban world, ensuring that cities remain safe, sustainable, and enduring for generations to come. If our cities can heal themselves, it forces us to ask a bigger question: what else around us should be alive, responsive, and intelligent? Should the systems we depend on every day simply exist, or should they actively protect us, adapt to change, and grow stronger over time. Self-repairing infrastructure challenges the way we think about safety, technology, and the future of urban life. But trust plays a crucial role. Would you feel confident driving on a road that repairs itself, or crossing a bridge monitored by AI and smart materials? This future is approaching faster than most people realize, and public understanding matters. Your perspective helps shape how these technologies are accepted and implemented. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust infrastructure that repairs itself, or does it raise new questions for you? If you found this vision of the future fascinating, hit the subscribe button for more breakthrough technologies, and stay connected as we explore how innovation is redefining the world around us.